Hello there. It's another wonderful day. It's another wonderful morning, evening, afternoon, night, wherever you are. Thank you so much for tuning into our channel here. Welcome again to our kitchen. In today's space, we're gonna make some kale, another variant of collards or sukuma wiki. So unfortunately we had some super tough vegetables from the store, and so I just had to be creative. If you have a few minutes, please join us and I will show you how I did it. And again, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video to your family and friends so that together we can grow. Thank you much.